great way to network with alumni who can help you get internships and jobs in the future. And it's a great way to learn about campus resources and how you can better utilize them.
I like the career term focused on me growing as a person and on my mental health, along with me being a good employee in the future.
During our mock interview sessions, my teacher told us when an interviewer asks you a question, use PAR to answer that question. P, what problem did you solve? A, what action did you take to solve it? And R, what was the result of that action?
The biggest takeaway for me is was actually seeing like Hendrix alums, seeing where they went with their careers, because it was cool seeing people who have had similar or the same experience as me 10 years from now, so it's a little bit easier to imagine where I could be.
I was interested in learning about careers outside of my major, which is religious studies. The main thing I've learned is how to structure a resume properly. It looks a lot nicer, it's more streamlined, which I'm excited about.
And there's just a lot of great opportunities and a lot of great people, and you can make a lot of good friends.